In this video, we will show you how to log into the mobile version of the MT4 on your Android device. Let us begin by starting your mobile MT4 app on your Android device. Because you should have already created your demo or live account, we are going to log into an existing live account. To do so, click on the three lines menu. Then click Manage Accounts. Then click the plus sign at the top right corner. Now, tap the Login to an existing account option. Then enter FXChoice in the search box. You will be presented with a choice of demo and live servers to log into. For this video, we will be logging into a Pro Live account, so we choose the appropriate server's name. Once you have selected your server, you will then be presented with the login and password screen. Kindly remember that passwords are case sensitive. Please refer to the welcome email you received from us when you originally created your account to find the proper server information. Check the Save Password option to have the app log you in automatically. If you entered everything correctly, then you would have successfully logged into your account and can now begin trading from your mobile device. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.